In this video, I'm going to show you how to filter out the data from main database into a filter sheet based on condition we define on this sheet. For example, we have all of the data here, you can see, and the goal is to filter out the data based on condition we define here. Let's say I choose tool. It will filter out all of the data which has the word tool. I can define more item type, let's say explosio, and now you can see all of the data which has explosio has been filtered out, either tool, either explosio. And if I select, let's say any other keyword, let's say weapon, now you can see we have weapon data as well. Now we can also define any other condition. For example, based on this column, I just want to filter out which has the word rare. And now if you scroll to the right and in rare column, you can see we have all of the data which has the word rare. The next thing, I want to filter out based on by cell column as well. But for now, if I delete the word rare and scroll to the right side, I can see all of my data set. Let's say I want to filter out the data which has 25 to 1000 and simply hit enter. Now if you scroll to the right, you can see my by column has been filtered out based on condition we define. The next thing is, for example, we can define the filter based on this data as well. But here I can write or condition and condition. For example, let me just clear all of the column A filter, and now we have all of the data. For example, I want to filter out, let's say, this data. So if I just go to tool column, I can see all of my data set. Now if I select, let's say, painter, if I select painter as well and scroll to the right side, you can see all of my data which has these two words has been filtered out. But if I change or to end condition, now you can see we have only filter single row, because the condition is we need to filter out all of the data when we have both of the keyword present. So in this case, we have only single row. So this is very useful. I will share this sheet with you. Just work on this one, try to learn this formula, and then I will teach you each and everything how to build this sheet. Once you learn, you can build your own sheet as well. I will share the link in description. If you have anything in mind, just write a comment. I will answer as soon as possible. Thank you so much.